the ultimate guide to start a commerce business. Starting an e-commerce business involves several steps, which include 1. Identify a niche or product. Choose a product or service to sell based on your skills, interests, and market demand. 2. Conduct market research. Analyze the market to determine the demand for your product, competitors, and target audience. 3. Choose a business model. Decide on the type of e-commerce business you want to run, such as dropshipping, wholesaling, or manufacturing. 4. Create a business plan. Write down your goals, target audience, marketing strategies, and projected financials. 5. Set up an online store. Choose an e-commerce platform such as Shopify or WooCommerce to create your website and start selling. 6. Market your store. Use search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, email marketing, and other tactics to drive traffic to your store. 7. Manage operations. Keep track of inventory, fulfill orders, manage customer service, and handle payment processing. 8. Measure and optimize. Analyze metrics such as website traffic, sales, and customer feedback to continuously improve your store. This is a general outline, but the specific steps and details may vary based on your specific business and market. It is recommended to seek the advice of professionals such as lawyers and accountants to ensure you are in compliance with local laws and regulations. Finding products for an online store can be done in several ways. 1. Conduct market research. Identify customer needs and preferences and determine which products are in demand. 2. Source products from wholesale suppliers. You can find suppliers online through websites like Alibaba, Amazon, or through trade shows. 3. Create your own products. If you have the resources, you can design and manufacture your own products to sell on your online store. 4. Dropshipping. You can partner with a dropshipping supplier who will handle storage and shipping of the products on your behalf. 5. Competitor research. Observe what products your competitors are selling and try to offer similar products with a unique twist. When selecting products, consider factors such as profitability, demand, competition, and the costs involved in sourcing and storing the products. Finding a supplier for your products can be done in several ways. 1. Online marketplaces. You can find suppliers on websites such as Alibaba, Amazon, and global sources. 2. Trade shows. Attend trade shows relevant to your product category to meet potential suppliers in person and see their products. 3. Local manufacturers. Consider reaching out to local manufacturers in your area to see if they can supply the products you need. 4. Industry associations. Join industry associations relevant to your product category, as they can provide you with information about potential suppliers. 5. Competitor research. Research your competitors to see who they are sourcing their products from and reach out to those suppliers. When selecting a supplier, consider factors such as product quality, delivery times, pricing, and the supplier's reliability and reputation. It's important to thoroughly vet your suppliers and negotiate favorable terms before entering into a relationship. Top e-commerce platforms for selling your products online. With the increasing popularity of online shopping, starting an e-commerce store has never been easier. Whether you are a small business owner or an entrepreneur, the right e-commerce platform can help you reach a wider audience and sell your products online. In this blog, we will discuss some of the top e-commerce platforms to help you get started. 1. Shopify. Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, offering a user user-friendly interface and a wide range of tools for creating and managing an online store. With Shopify, you can easily customize the look and feel of your store, add products, manage orders, and track sales. 2. WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a free, open-source e-commerce platform that integrates with WordPress. With WooCommerce, you can easily set up an online store and sell products, as well as manage inventory, shipping, and payments. 3. Magento. Magento is a powerful, open-source e-commerce platform that offers a range of features for managing an online store. With Magento, you can easily customize the look and feel of your store, manage products, and track sales. 4. BigCommerce. BigCommerce is a cloud-based e-commerce platform that offers a wide range of tools for creating and managing an online store. With BigCommerce, you can easily add products, manage orders, and track sales, as well as integrate with popular payment gateways and shipping carriers. 5. Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Salesforce Commerce Cloud is a cloud-based e-commerce platform designed for enterprise-level businesses. With Salesforce Commerce Cloud, you can easily manage products, orders, and shipping, as well as access a range of features for enhancing the customer experience. When selecting an e-commerce platform, consider your business needs and the type of products you want to sell. Consider factors such as ease of use, customization options, payment gateway integration, and shipping options. You should also consider the cost of the platform and any additional fees associated with using it. In conclusion, starting an online store has never been easier, and with the right e-commerce platform, you can reach a wider audience and sell your products to customers around the world. Whether you are just starting out or looking to upgrade your existing store, one of these top e-commerce platforms can help you achieve your goals.